What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Sabelo here, and I'm back again with another banger video. In this video, we're simply going to be doing the update from the previous week's analysis. We were looking into three currency pairs, so I'm definitely going to be giving you all an update on those pairs and the execution that followed. Yeah, with that being said, let's get into today's video. So our first pair that we were looking into is NAS 100. So as you can see on the screen right here, so we were anticipating to take a short on NAS 100 based on the zone that it was at, but then I ended up not trading NAS 100. In fact, the previous week I didn't trade much. I only took about two trades. It was USD CAD and then a fundamental trade, the GBP news, just as I explained the previous week. So those were the two trades that I took last week. Yeah, I was kind of busy with exams and I wasn't paying much attention to the market, and I was preparing to go home as well. So yeah, so this is the scenario on NAS 100. As you can see, we haven't had like a drastic move on NAS. Yeah, and then the other pair that we were looking into was EA, Euro AUD. Okay, this, I have to say, this is the one that I'm kind of sad on missing out on, as you can see here on the screen. So yeah, if you're here for the first time, you can go back to the previous week's video, the one on the screen right now. You can go back to the previous week's video and then you check it out. When I was doing the analysis for this video right here, or these anticipations, yeah, we were anticipating a long trade on EA, and as you can see that it played out beautifully, as you can see on the screen. So also I didn't take this trade as well, but then yeah, you know exactly what I was looking for. I was waiting for this trend line to be broken before I jump in on this trade. And as you can see that when you switch to your 15-minute time frame, you can clearly see the market closing above this trend line right here, which was a beautiful entry, which you could have executed in this manner, and then have your stop loss right below the structure right here. And yeah, as you can see, this is how the trade played out. Beautiful 270 pips, as easy as that. So that was another analysis that I shared with you all the previous week. Yeah, and then the other one was AUDJPY. Also didn't take this one, but then we were anticipating a short here, if I remember properly. Okay, but then as you can see, yes, beautifully all crashed all the way to the next significant strike. But with this one, I was anticipating that it is going to reach this area right here before it pushed to the downside. But a break of this trend line would have given us a proper entry in terms of market structure and a sniper entry. So as you can see that this trend line was broken and then retested, so we could have entered here, market broke, and then we could have entered here, and then our stop loss above the range, and then we could have capitalized on this huge fall to the downside. But I didn't take any trades on all of these three instruments. The trades that I took last week were on USD CAD and GBP. Yeah, on GBP it was purely fundamental. So yeah, these are the results, as you can see on the screen. This was from the USD CAD, and then this one was from GBP USD. With that being said, that concludes our video for the previous week's recap, and I'll see you all on the next video.